For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the idea of creating machines that can think and act like us. From ancient myths of artificial beings to the fictional robots of science fiction, the desire to build intelligent machines has long captured our imaginations. Early thinkers pondered the nature of intelligence and consciousness, laying the philosophical groundwork for what would become the field of artificial intelligence. These pioneers imagined a future where machines could not only perform tasks, but also reason, learn, and even surpass human capabilities. While these early visions were largely confined to the realm of speculation, the seeds of AI were sown. The development of mathematics, logic, and computer science in the 20th century would provide the tools and knowledge necessary to bring these dreams closer to reality. The formal journey of AI as a scientific discipline began in 1956 at a historic conference at Dartmouth College. This gathering, organized by John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Claude Shannon, and Nathaniel Rochester, brought together leading minds in various fields to explore the potential of thinking machines. The Dartmouth Workshop, as it came to be known, marked the official birth of artificial intelligence as a field of study. The participants shared a bold vision: to create machines that could simulate any aspect of human intelligence. They believed that by understanding the principles of human thought, they could replicate these processes in machines. This optimism fueled a period of intense research and development in AI. Early successes such as Arthur Samuel's checkers playing program further bolstered the belief that human-level intelligence was within reach. The future of AI seemed bright, full of promise and possibility. However, the initial enthusiasm surrounding AI was met with significant challenges. Despite early progress, researchers quickly discovered the immense difficulty of replicating human intelligence in machines. AI systems struggled with tasks that humans found simple, such as understanding natural language and recognizing objects. The limitations of early AI approaches, coupled with overly optimistic predictions, led to a period of disillusionment and reduced funding in the 1970s and 1980s. These periods, known as the AI winters, were characterized by skepticism and a decline in research activity. Despite these setbacks, important work continued behind the scenes. Researchers developed new techniques, such as expert systems and machine learning, which would lay the foundation for future breakthroughs. The lessons learned during the AI winters would prove invaluable in guiding the development of more robust and sophisticated AI systems. In the late 1980s and 1990s, a renewed interest in artificial neural networks, inspired by the structure of the human brain, emerged. Neural networks are complex systems of interconnected nodes that can learn from data, identify patterns, and make predictions. Advances in computing power and the availability of vast datasets allowed researchers to train larger and more complex neural networks, leading to significant improvements in areas such as image recognition, speech synthesis, and natural language processing. This marked the beginning of the deep learning revolution, a transformative period that continues to shape the field of AI today. The success of deep learning has fueled a resurgence in AI research and investment, leading to rapid advancements in areas such as autonomous vehicles, medical diagnosis, and personalized recommendations. The once futuristic dreams of AI were finally becoming a tangible reality. Section 5, AI in our pockets: everyday applications. Today, AI is no longer a distant concept confined to research labs and science fiction novels. It has permeated our daily lives in subtle and often unnoticed ways. From the spam filters in our inboxes to the personalized recommendations we receive on streaming platforms, AI is quietly working behind the scenes, enhancing our experiences and making our lives easier. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa rely on AI-powered speech recognition and natural language processing to understand our commands and provide information. Navigation apps use AI algorithms to analyze traffic patterns and suggest the fastest routes. Social media platforms leverage AI to personalize our feeds, target us with ads, and even identify and remove harmful content. These are just a few examples of how AI has seamlessly integrated into our daily routines, often without us even realizing it. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative and transformative applications to emerge, further blurring the lines between the digital and physical worlds. Section 6. Transforming Industries AI at Work. Beyond our personal lives, AI is revolutionizing entire industries, from healthcare and finance to manufacturing and transportation. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop new drugs, diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, and personalize treatment plans based on individual patient data. In finance, AI algorithms are being deployed to detect fraudulent transactions, manage investments, and provide personalized financial advice. Manufacturing industries are using AI-powered robots to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and create safer working environments. The transportation sector is undergoing a massive transformation with the advent of self-driving cars, powered by AI systems that can perceive their surroundings, make decisions, and navigate complex environments. These are just a few examples of how AI is reshaping industries, creating new opportunities, and posing unique challenges for the future of work. Section 7. Ethical Considerations. Navigating the Moral Maze. As AI becomes increasingly powerful and pervasive, it's crucial to address the ethical implications of its development and deployment. Bias in AI algorithms, often stemming from biased training data, is a growing concern. If left unchecked, biased AI systems can perpetuate and even exacerbate existing societal inequalities. Another ethical challenge is the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes, such as creating deepfakes, spreading misinformation, or developing autonomous weapons systems. Ensuring that AI is developed and used responsibly requires careful consideration of its potential impact on society, as well as the establishment of clear ethical guidelines and regulations. The development of AI must be guided by human values and a commitment to fairness, transparency, and accountability. Open dialogue, collaboration, and ongoing scrutiny are essential to mitigating the risks and maximizing the benefits of AI for all of humanity. Section 8. The Future of AI, a World of Possibilities. The future of AI is brimming with both promise and uncertainty. As AI systems continue to learn and evolve, they hold the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges, from climate change and disease to poverty and inequality. We can envision a future where AI-powered healthcare systems provide personalized and accessible medical care to everyone, regardless of location or socioeconomic status. Imagine AI-driven agricultural technologies that optimize crop yields, reduce waste, and enhance food security for a growing global population. Picture a world where AI facilitates communication and understanding across cultures, fostering global cooperation and empathy. However, realizing this positive vision requires careful planning, collaboration, and a commitment to ethical AI development. We must address the potential risks of AI, such as job displacement, algorithmic bias, and the misuse of AI for harmful purposes. By embracing a future-oriented mindset and engaging in thoughtful dialogue, we can harness the transformative power of AI to create a more equitable, sustainable, and prosperous future for all. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the AI revolution. The evolution of AI from a theoretical concept to a transformative force has been nothing short of remarkable. From its humble beginnings in the halls of academia to its ubiquitous presence in our daily lives, AI has come a long way, driven by human ingenuity, technological advancements, and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we stand at the cusp of a new era defined by artificial intelligence, we must proceed with both excitement and caution. The future of AI is not predetermined, it is a future we are actively shaping with every algorithm we design, every line of code we write, and every decision we make. By embracing a spirit of collaboration, ethical awareness, and a commitment to human well-being, we can harness the power of AI to create a future where technology empowers, uplifts, and inspires us all. The journey of AI is just beginning, and the possibilities are limitless.